Hey there, I'm Joe Carter. If you've ever popped the hood and thought, where do I even start? You're in good company. Around here, we take the mystery out of car repair, one fix at a time. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to sharpen your skills, there's something here for you. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe if you're into learning without the headaches. All right, that's enough from me. Let's get into it.
System design. There are only a few types of heating elements for heated mirrors, wire type. As a heating material, a resistive alloy wire is used, which is laid on a heat-resistant material. Such a design is the simplest in manufacture, which allows you to build a heating element for the car with your own hands. The disadvantages include poor heat dissipation and uneven heating. With the use of a combined reflector. In this type of construction, the mirror element combines reflective and heating functions. The conductive composition is sprayed directly on the back side of the reflective element. In another variation, a thin snake is applied on the front side of the mirror, which is a conductive element with an anti-dazzle effect. What you need for installation: to make car side mirror heating yourself, you will need glass equipped with a heating element. You can find these on sale if your car was equipped with heated side mirrors in certain configurations. Otherwise, you will need a heating element. For the most mass cars there are blanks, maximally repeating the shape of mirrors. Universal kits are also sold, from which you will need to cut out the shape of your reflector yourself. The conductive element can be made with your own hands. Special connectors, MOM, which will fit the shape of DAD, mounted by the manufacturer of heated mirrors or universal heating elements. If you make a heating element for mirrors with your own hands, you need to buy 2 pairs of connectors. From the tools you will need a minimum set of electrician, soldering iron, rosin, solder, pliers for crimping terminals, stripping. Wires, a tool for pulling wires through the corrugation of the door, a lighter for heat-shrinkable tubes. It is also desirable to have a glue gun, because in some cars' review mirrors after pulling wires it is desirable to reseal. Of course, you cannot do without the necessary for your car set for removing door cards and plastic panels to get to the mounting block. Universal heater. After buying a universal heater, be sure to check it with a multimeter, in the resistance measurement mode for open circuit. When adjusting the universal element to the shape of the glass, do not damage the conductive tracks. Each broken circuit, no heating along the entire length of the line you cut, or complete failure of the heater. If you could not pick up on your car ready-made heating element, measure the dimensions of the glass to pick up the most similar in dimensions resistive heater. It is better to choose a smaller copy so that you do not have to bend it, as this often causes the heating element to fail. 3M heaters are the most popular at the moment. For installation you only need to degrease the surface, remove the protective layer from the backside and glue the element to the backside of the mirror. Self-connection. It is not enough to know how to make heated mirrors with your own hands, it is more important to connect the system correctly. To do this, you need remove the door cards. The reflectors are separated from the housing. They can be fixed with snaps or special glass glue, which before removing it is better to heat. Install a new heated mirror or glue on a purchased conductive board. Pull the wires through the corrugation and then to the mounting block. Find the rear window heater relay. To do this, you can press the button to turn on the heater, as a result of which the relay will produce clicks and vibrations, easy to feel tactilely. Practically in all cars a 4-pin relay is responsible for switching on the heater. Fix the heater's -lead, ground, in any convenient place. For connection use terminals under a bolt of appropriate diameter. The plus terminal should be connected to the relay terminal, on which after switching on the rear window heater appears plus, before pressing there was minus. Determine the appropriate output can be with the help of a special control, multimeter or circuit diagram, if you have the skills to read them and know the principle of relay operation. It is best to use soldering method for fixing the plus terminal. After connecting, crimping and insulation of terminals, the installation of mirror heating can be considered complete. Alternative methods to make a heating element for mirrors with your own hands. You will need several meters of nichrome wire, sealant and a soldering iron. You need to solder the wires into the plastic housing of the reflector and connect the power to them. There is also a method of heating exterior mirrors by installing a small incandescent bulb in the housing, which will heat the mirror from the back side. In our opinion, the design using conductive heaters is more preferable. Installing heated mirrors. Wiring diagram for heated rear view mirrors. In conclusion, creating heated mirrors for your car is a straightforward process that can enhance your driving experience, especially in cold weather. By following the steps outlined, you can easily install a heating element that will keep your mirrors clear and functional. Not only does this modification improve visibility, but it also adds a touch of convenience to your vehicle. With just a few materials and some basic skills, you can enjoy the benefits of heated mirrors without the need for factory-installed options. Thank you for watching, and happy DIYing!